What's going on, traders? Joe here from JLewisTrading.com. I'm going to do a quick review today on the markets and a couple of the stocks that we've been hitting to the short side. Again, little recap. We were looking at this 3-day reversal candlestick pattern as of Friday's close with a low support level of 27.64, which is also 200-day simple moving average support. And what we were looking for was either a hold and then a breakout of 28.14 to the long side, and if that failed, then just a sheer breakdown of 27.64, which is actually what happened yesterday and continued on today. And we talked about that momentum stepping down. It's continued to do that. We're now sort of in a wide pre-cross down of the MACD signal line here, which would trigger a further sell. If I was to just absolutely speculate on where the S&P could potentially find some support, I was calling for this level right down through here because it is the top of a gap up, and you can also see that we've got some semi-structured support back through here and through here. So I am going to look at that 27.05 level, but on a deeper level, I'd actually be looking at sort of this tweezer bottom trio almost, if you will, right through here at 26.41. So if that... if price action does take out that 27.05, I'd be looking at a 26.41 level. You can see that there is some action all the way through here back in the day, and there is some structured support and prior resistance. So it is an area of obvious significance, so I'd be looking to see if there's a hold either at 27.05 or at 26.41. Nonetheless, we've had 2 days of selling, and we've had, 3 days of selling in the last 5. So market is obviously looking a little bit weak, and with that, I said in the last video, and I said in a trade alert that I sent out to our members, if the market gets weak, we want to take advantage of that, and we want to take advantage of relative strength. If the market sells off, there's going to be some weak stocks that are out there that are not just going to kind of slip, but they're going to absolutely fall apart, and in some cases crater. And so that's what we've been trying to identify and how to get in front of these trades. And so just to recap a couple different trades that we've got on, IVZ was something that we talked about in the trade alerts, and I put this out to the community, and I was mentioning that we had some trend line support and that we had some horizontal support at 2081. And I said on the because this is Friday right through here, I said based on that level being taken out, we're going to get a short trade. And you can see that Monday and Tuesday, it's been cutting through those levels. It's hitting our first checkpoint of 1971. And I just think that there's so much more room for this thing to drop, especially potentially tomorrow if the market exhibits more weakness. We are trading to the downside on some higher volume. So I'd be looking at this thing to fall further. EVC is another one. This is day 2 of a sell-off, and it's just been a beautiful thing from $4 down to $3.40. So it's lost about 60 cents of value in 2 sessions. And like I said, I just think that there's so much more room for this one to move lower. Roku is something that I touched on just the other day, and it actually broke down on Monday, hitting a first primary target and $40. And today it has traded up a little bit, but it is an inside candle, so you can't really make a decision on what this thing's going to do right now. I'd probably stop looking at it above 43.63. If it continues to cut through that 40 level, 36.14 is the next target. And there are so many more that I'll be talking about tonight in Ask a Trader. If you're not a member of Ask a Trader, and if you're not getting these trade alerts, I would totally check it out. There's a link below that you can click and subscribe and get involved. It is arguably the cheapest system out there for what you get. Everybody in the community is making great money off of these trade alerts. Everybody's loving the 8 hours of live training in Ask a Trader that I host twice a week. And so if you want to get involved with that, by all means, link is below. Click it, join us, see what we have to offer, and get to know the team, get to know the community. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And like I said, we'll be talking about these trades and more in Ask a Trader tonight. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewisTrading.com. All my information is in the description box below. Again, like, subscribe, follow us. We're at Twitter. We are at Instagram. All of the links are below. Connect with the team. Reach out if you need me. Info@jlewisTrading.com. Thanks for watching this quick recap. We'll see you in the next video.